This video, I'm going to show you a few best practices for properly setting up your Google Ad account and Merchant Center. Google is getting much stricter each month with who it allows to advertise on its platform. So there are a few things you should do to ensure your account stays active with Google. First of all, if you do not have a Google Ad account, please go to ads.google.com and create an ad account and then come back to this video. So first, we will be clicking in Tools and Settings. Now, if your ad account does not look exactly like my screen, that means that Google has changed its interface. In most scenarios, you can click on the appearance icon up here and transition back to use old design. I know Google has a newer interface. I'm on the older interface just because it's what I prefer. So if you want to get back to this older interface that I'm using here, you should be able to click the appearance icon and then go back to the classic or old design. Now, first, we're going to click in Tools and Settings. Then we're going to go down to Preferences. And so this is very basic, but I see a lot of accounts that have not actually named their ad account. So you want to name your ad account the same thing as your business. Make sure all this is completed. You want to expand this contact information and make sure this is completely filled out as well. Two other things you want to do in your ad account are go back to Tools and Settings, go into Billing Settings, and make sure this is completely set up with all contact information filled out. Next, you want to apply for the advertiser verification. If you don't apply for it now, Google will give you a 2 to 3 week window at a certain point. And if you aren't able to get that verification pushed through in that 2 to 3 week window, your account will become suspended, and it's very difficult to get out of that state. So I would encourage you to go and apply for advertiser verification before you are notified by Google that you need to do so. That's it for the ad account when it comes to best practices and preventing not becoming suspended. Now we're going to move over to Merchant Center. Here in Merchant Center, we're going to have a very similar approach. We're going to go to Tools and Settings, and then we're going to go down to Business Information. You want to make sure that your business name is fully filled out, your business address is filled out, that you verify a phone number. If you don't have a business number, you can use a Google Voice number. I think it's voice.google.com to create one. This URL, a lot of people miss this. You want to make sure this is your contact page. So go onto your website, click on the contact page, and then copy and paste the contact page URL. This is for customer service and support. So your customer support email, your phone number for customer support. This can be the same Google Voice number. Then you want to go into the website section, add your website. I don't suggest using a Shopify website, but for the sake of this video, this is what we're using. I suggest using your primary domain. You will need to add an HTML snippet into your website code to verify this. It's really easy to do, and if you haven't verified your domain yet, you will see instructions right below this section. Now we're going to go back up to the gear icon. We're going to click on Shipping and Returns. The easiest way is usually just to set up a manual shipping rate. I'll show you really quickly how to do that. So you're going to click the Add Shipping Service. We're just going to call this free or free shipping. United States is the country. It's getting sent to the customer's address. Next. Set a range of delivery times. So typically we'll do 1 to 2 days of shipping or of handling. And then let's just say it's 3 to 4 days shipping time. Next, free shipping, save. And if your free shipping isn't free, you can add the price there. So view all shipping services. And now we see that same rate here, free. So we're going to delete this because we already have shipping set up. The other thing you want to make sure you have set up is your returns policy. If you don't already have a return policy set up, you're going to click this blue icon, Add Return Policy. We're going to select the country that we ship to, United States. This is your return policy link. This is typically in the footer of your website. So you want to go to your return policy and then copy and paste the URL. For us, no, we don't accept returns. Next, I confirm this is correct and done. In case you're new to Google, a couple other things you want to make sure you have set up are here in the growth section. So you want to hit the growth tab and then scroll down to Manage Programs. The programs you want to make sure you have enabled are free product listings, shopping ads, dynamic remarketing, customer reviews, promotions, and product ratings. Those are best practices when it comes to properly setting up your Google Ad account and Merchant Center. We'll see you in the next video.